Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a card from your Klarna account. Alright, if you've been wondering how to remove a card from your Klarna account, then this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can choose to do so on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you want to go to the payment methods tab, and once you're there, just select the card that you want to remove from the list of available cards, and then just click on remove card and confirm that you want to remove the card, and Klarna is going to get that done for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a card from your Klarna account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.